Are your plants not growing the way they should? Maybe the secret isn't the fertilizer, it's the soil. Introducing the PH328 Smart Sensor, the ultimate 3-in-1 soil tester trusted by growers across Pakistan. With just one device, you can instantly measure pH, moisture, and temperature, giving you the power to create the perfect growing environment. It's equipped with a digital backlight display, so you can clearly see results even at night. Just insert the probe into your soil, press the MODE button, and get accurate readings within seconds. From greenhouses to gardens, orchards to farmlands, this compact device helps you take control of your soil health like a pro. It's factory calibrated, battery powered, and built with durable materials for long-lasting performance. Why guess when you can know? Order your PH328 Smart Sensor today from smartsensor.pk and take your farming, gardening, or research to the next level. Click the link below to buy now and start growing smarter, not harder.